and this is the trot that I use for building muscle, for building frame, for building the horse's top line and building the horse's hips. When I'm working all my horses, I work a trot, an extended trot, and then I work a third trot that is different than I think just about anybody else does. My trot would be comparable to a dressage working trot. My extended trot would be comparable to a dressage extended trot. And then the third trot, I'll show it to you in just a minute. I don't know of a comparable. And this is the trot that I use for building muscle, for building frame, for building the horse's top line and building the horse's hips. So here, as I'm trotting around, this would just kind of be a working trot. What I want him to do is keep his forehead perpendicular to the ground, support his shoulders. I don't want him to fall in or fall out. If he does fall one direction, I'm going to go into my leg yield exercise. Same exercise. The bend counter bend is basically what that is. Strengthen the left shoulder. Strengthen the right shoulder. Move them over. Because I want him to maintain this trot. I'm always going to pick a speed that I would want to show. His speed is varying a little bit. I'd like to get it a little bit more consistency, get his rhythm more consistent. Lost a little frame there. Let's round him up a little bit. Ask him to lift his back a little bit. I wanted to record out in this arena today. We've had rain, I think, almost every day. Today is Monday. I don't think we had any rain yesterday. It rained on Saturday. So I got my tractor out here this morning and started dragging the arena, and it started raining. But thankfully it didn't rain too much. So when it quit raining, I finished dragging the arena. But anyways, back to the trot. This would be the regular trot that I would show in ranch riding. And then for an extended trot, you ask the horse to reach out a little further, ride a little faster. And that would be similar to an extended trot that you would show. But now let's talk about the third trot. The trot that I use for building muscle. So I'm going to start from my regular trot, would be my collected trot, my working trot. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask him to speed up, push from behind, but still keep this frame in his front end. Still keep his forehead perpendicular, still push from behind. Bring your nose in. Ask for that extension while his head is perpendicular to the ground. Go around the end and let's keep doing it. That trot is really good for teaching him to keep his frame in the front, while really extending in the back. And he normally reaches out good in the front when I do that. Gets almost a little bit of suspension. I think in dressage they keep more collection in their extended trot than what most ranch riders do. Ranch riders just kind of throw the rein out forward and the horse gets longer and he actually loses the frame and inverts himself. What I want the horse to do is maintain his frame, his roundness, but still extend. I want his reach to reach further, but his back to stay round. Let's try it again, see what we get. Get my Regular trot first, get him round, get him soft on my hand. Ask for a little extension, little speed, little reach. Stay soft. Now you see I picked up the reins two-handed so that I could use little touches with one rein or the other when I feel him start to get stiff or get his nose out. And you also see I'm bringing my shoulders back and I'm really driving him with my lower body. Then relax to go slower. That I use a lot to build strength. Our reining horses, our ranch riding horses, our cow horses all need really strong top lines and really strong back ends to do the job that we ask them to do. And that is a big part of what I do to build the muscle to do that job. My mission for my training program is to try to make every horse as good as they can be. If you want to talk to me about sending a horse to me for training, send me a message and we'll talk about it. So this is Hank. I'll be showing him in about 3 weeks in West Monroe in an open working cow horse. If you're in the area, would love to meet you. It's a National Range Cow Horse Association show. You can find it on their website. Until next time, thank you for watching.